Learning a new language is an adventure. It's like opening a door to a whole new world. One fun way to learn is with interesting facts. Today, we'll journey to Saudi Arabia. We'll discover its culture, land, and history, all while learning English. Each fact will use simple words. This helps you understand and remember. You can even impress your friends with your new knowledge. Are you ready? Let's begin our language adventure. Learning new words helps you speak and understand better. It's like adding more colors to your language palette. Let's paint some colorful sentences with our Saudi Arabian facts. Saudi Arabia has a rich culture. People wear traditional clothes, men wear a thobe. It is a long white dress, women wear an abaya, it is a long black cloak. Food is very important in Saudi Arabia. Dates and coffee are essential parts of their hospitality. People often share large plates of rice and meat. Saudi Arabia is a friendly place. People greet each other with Assalamu alaikum, meaning peace be upon you. It's a beautiful way to say hello. Learning about other cultures helps us understand the world better. It's like making new friends from different places. Saudi Arabia is a big country. It is in the Middle East. Much of Saudi Arabia is covered in desert. The Arabian Desert is the largest sand desert in the world. Camels are important animals in the desert. They can survive for days without water. Riyadh is the capital city of Saudi Arabia. It is a modern city with tall buildings. Jeddah is another important city. It is on the coast of the Red Sea. The Red Sea is known for its beautiful coral reefs. Knowing about different countries helps us understand geography. It's like traveling the world from your own home. Saudi Arabia has a long and rich history. It is home to Mecca, the holiest city in Islam. Muslims from all over the world visit Mecca to perform Hajj. Ma'dan Saleh is an ancient city in Saudi Arabia. It has tombs carved into mountains. These tombs are thousands of years old. Saudi Arabia is also important in modern history. It has large reserves of oil. Oil is a valuable resource that powers many things around the world. Learning about history helps us understand the present. It's like looking back in time to see how things have changed.